My last unboxing was a fail, so fingers crossed this one will be better. And hi, if you're new here, my name is Elaine, and on my channel I like to talk about bags from mid-range to vintage luxury. And so, yes, another unboxing coming off of the fail from last time. It's been almost about a month, I think. Let's hope this one's better. As per usual, this is from Dior, my favorite Japanese reseller. Okay, so 1 and 2. All right, so just a note on tariffs. I bought 2 bags and they came out to almost 30% tariff. So standard is 18, and I don't know why, but there's another 10% added on top. I did order another bag after this, which is still coming, also from Dior. That was just 1 bag. It was about a 20% tariff. So I'm not sure what's going on, but like the tariffs are kind of all over the place these days. I mean, it could be an error, but I did talk to somebody else who also had a 28% tariff showing. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, we'll start off with this one, which, as you can see through the plastic, is a vintage Dior bag. This would make this my second Dior bag currently in my collection, and the only one that I've bought. The other Dior bag was passed down to me by my grandmother, so that's a keeper for sure. But I've always been interested in this design. It's a classic. Ta-da! All right, let's see. So, oh, actually very nice. So as you can see, this is a Dior, Lady Dior bag, but it is in nylon. It is not in leather. And I purposely chose that because I wanted something that was a little lighter in weight. I'm not really into Dior in general. I kind of have started getting interested in it again because of Jonathan Anderson's Dior. Not to say that I am going to buy anything from the current season, but I just like to look. And then this one still is the zipper version of the Dior bag. And inside is a red canvas lining, nylon lining, yes, with 1 interior pocket. Oh, it's actually a blue marine Canage microfiber. Oh, interesting. It came with its original little tag here, which I'm assuming is quite an old bag. I wanted something that is lightweight, but still, you know, it's not a traditional Lady Dior bag. It's not leather. So yeah, I mean, we'll see how much I use it. I do like the size. I do like the weight. It is very lightweight. There is no crossbody strap on this one. So, I mean, I guess I could try do my own or just leave it as a top handle bag. I did get this with tariffs. It was right around the 600 mark. So I, you know, under 1,000 for a Lady Dior, I think is a good price. Even under 800 is a good price. Granted, again, it is not leather. So yeah, it came with a dust bag, which has definitely seen better days. But overall, yeah, I'm actually pretty pleased with the condition. It looks pretty good. So I would not say that's a fail. Okay, next. This is supposed to be like that? I guess so. All right, and next, there is no dust bag. Ooh. Okay. And this is an old Loewe Amazona bag. This is an Amazona 28 in this like yellowish greenish suede with, it's actually navy trim. And as you can see, the suede needs a little bit of cleaning up. We'll see if I can get these marks off with a little bit of suede cleaner. I do have a suede cleaning kit that I haven't really tried yet, so this would be my experiment. This was also right around 600 with the tariffs. Yeah, originally there were pretty good deals with the tariffs. Yes, definitely less so. The suede is very smushy. Inside is lined with leather, but as you can see, it has a bit of a slouch. Yeah, I mean, I guess the thing is, I don't know if I would necessarily buy the new Amazona 180. The prices are quite up there. Even the mini, I think the smallest one is like almost 3,000, which is a lot. But the vintage Amazona, so this predates even Jonathan Anderson Loewe. Amazona, of course, is a classic style. I think they brought back the 180 because it's anniversary. And so most of the vintage ones you can definitely find under 1,000, even under 800. I found some good ones even under 500, but of course with the tariffs, prices go up. I thought, you know, if I'm gonna do a fun Amazona, I think I want to do it in a, you know, a funky color, something out of my normal comfort zone. You know, I'm also not a huge fan of suede, but I think it's worth giving a try. And then if I do end up deciding to get the new Amazona 180, at least I have this vintage one to compare it to. But it's actually a lot smaller than I expected. Both of these are actually. So yeah, what do you think? I do think 2 for $1,000-ish is not terrible if I'm really gonna experiment with my style with these two bags. Nice to get a second hand and for a pretty good price. Let me know if you want an in-depth review on either of these. Of course, I have to use a little bit more to get a good review, to produce a good review. But yeah, let me know. I really actually like this Amazona. I might be tempted to get another one. But also, you could also put straps on here. I do have a kind of neon yellow strap that I could put on here to make it a shoulder bag. That could be interesting as well. But yes, I look forward to using both. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this interesting, I kindly ask that you consider subscribing since it really helps support the channel, and hope to see you in the next one. Bye.